Hello everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking Chikutteh with shallot rice, but with a twist. This is not a classic bak kut teh, so stay tuned and watch Aunty do cooking until the end. So these are the chicken meat already cut. This one is about 1 kilogram of chicken meat, and I have oyster sauce. Goes along with it is shallot, ginger, garlic, and this one is shiitake mushroom. I already soaked until it's soft, and this one is fried tofu, and this one is the mushroom soup. I'm going to cook with the rice later on, and of course this is rice. I have 4 cups of rice, and of course black pepper, and this one is bone soup. I'm going to use to cook the chicken later on. Okay, stay tuned guys. Alright, the oil is hot, so I'm going to fry the shallot. As usual, I add a bit of salt. Alright, it smells good already. We don't have to fry until crispy, okay? Smells good. We add in the rice. Alright, I want to add the chicken flavor. About 2 teaspoons. About teaspoon of salt. Right, that's it. Then we put in the pandan rice, the pandan leaf, sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna add in the hot water. Okay, we flatten the rice first. Okay, add in the hot water. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna cook this. Okay, put in the garlic. Put in the ginger. Stir fry until aromatic. As usual, I like to add salt to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Okay, add in the oyster sauce. Always put in the oyster sauce first to enhance the flavor. Put in the shiitake mushroom. And followed by the chicken. Pour in the water. This is warm water. Okay. The meat bone soup. And the ingredients, these are the ingredients, the herbs and garlic. Okay. And we leave this to boil until it's cooked. It's very simple, isn't it? Pepper. Okay, I add salt. I use 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto. If you do not take Ajinomoto, you can omit that part. And this is chicken seasoning. Okay, that's it. I add the mushroom water. The water that I used to soak the mushroom, I didn't throw away. This is for extra taste. So this is Aunty twist. I didn't add any soy sauce, okay? Okay, it's boiling. Stay tuned. Okay, let's check. Alright. It's been boiling for a while already. And I'm going to add in this fried tofu. Alright, and then it continue to boil. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Chikutteh with shallot rice. And of course the twist is without soy sauce. This is not a classic bak kuteh, okay? Chikutteh means chicken bak kuteh. So, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.